The albatross is truly one of nature's marvels. Imagine being able to soar across the vast ocean, covering thousands of miles without ever flapping your wings. This magnificent bird is a master of the skies, utilizing a technique known as dynamic soaring. It's a fascinating method that allows the albatross to harness the power of the wind, gliding effortlessly over the waves. Dynamic soaring works by taking advantage of the wind gradients that occur near the ocean's surface. The albatross flies into the wind, gaining altitude, and then turns to ride the wind back down, picking up speed. This back-and-forth motion allows it to travel great distances with minimal energy expenditure. In fact, some albatrosses have been recorded flying over 10,000 miles in a single journey, all while barely moving their wings. What's even more astonishing is their ability to remain airborne for extended periods. These birds can stay in the air for weeks, and in some cases, even years without landing. They have a unique physiological adaptation that allows them to sleep while flying. By shutting down one hemisphere of their brain at a time, they can rest without losing altitude or direction. This incredible adaptation is essential for their survival, as it enables them to cover vast territories in search of food. Albatrosses primarily feed on fish and squid, often following ships to scavenge scraps. Their keen eyesight helps them spot food from great distances, and their large wingspan, some species have wings that stretch over 12 feet, gives them the lift needed to glide over the ocean for hours on end. The albatross's life is not just about survival, it's also about courtship and bonding. These birds are known for their elaborate mating rituals, which can involve synchronized flying displays that showcase their agility and grace. Once they find a mate, they form a lifelong bond, often returning to the same nesting sites year after year. However, despite their remarkable abilities, albatross populations are facing threats. Climate change, plastic pollution, and fishing practices have all contributed to their decline. Many species are now considered vulnerable or endangered. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure that these incredible birds continue to grace our oceans. In a world where we often overlook the wonders of nature, the albatross stands out as a symbol of freedom and endurance. Their ability to traverse the vastness of the ocean, relying on the wind, and their own remarkable adaptations, reminds us of the beauty and resilience of wildlife. The next time you think of long-distance travel, remember the albatross, a true champion of the skies.